Hey, Renee, didn't you shoot this footage like a month ago? Yeah, it's kind of been a hot minute. Do you think they still want to see it? Yeah, I mean, kinda. What's the worst that could happen? Hey, and welcome back to Keeping Your Heart. My name is Renee, and I am so glad that you are here. If you are new, this is a great time to subscribe. We welcome you, and you can click the little bell, and that helps you know when there's new videos that go up. And if you're coming back and you haven't subscribed, this is the perfect time to do that as well. So Keeping Your Heart is all about the ways that we engage in creativity, organization, self-care, resiliency, so that we can be present with the one who's in front of us when they're in distress. So that means we get to do all kinds of fun things like card making and bullet journaling and organization and all kinds of stuff like that. Self-care. Someday we're gonna do masks. I believe this. Anyway, but today's video is really about unboxing this great gift that my husband gave me for my birthday, which was a month ago. So I opened this kit and I love it and I can't wait to use it. And I've gotten so far behind in all of my videos that I thought I could either wait until I have made a card to show this to you, or I could just go ahead and put it up and then make the cards and then let you know that I've made them. So I am going to do that today. I am going to go ahead and get them the video ready to go. So this is the unboxing of the My Favorite Things Miss Your Hugs card kit, and it is full of rainbows and beauty, and I just love it. It is definitely taking into account our socially distanced reality right now, and just really love it. So I can't wait to share that with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that now, and I'll see you on the other end. Bye. Okay, so I already opened this, but I wanted to show you. So I didn't know, my husband got this for me for my birthday. And so I was, says this box contains a whole lot of happy, that's for sure. So I was very excited. So you see it's already opened. It was packed with love, and it was also ripped open with excitement. This is not part of it. I forgot and left this in here, but he got me this too as an extra little, so this is the My Favorite Things Miss Your Hugs card kit with rainbows. I'm so excited because I don't have any rainbow anything as far as dies or stamps. So let's see what I will start with. I don't know. Okay. Let's start with the paper. I think I just hit the camera. Sorry. Someday I'll get the hang of this. Okay, so alright. Okay, we'll start with this die here. So this says Sending You Hugs. So that is really cool, and it's one of those that you could set up to be with the twofer, where you have both the negative and the positive space. So one die cut through a machine, potential for 2 cards from that. Super cool. This one, I'm going to show you this paper. No, I'm not. I'm going to show it to you later. Okay, so then here is, this is a stencil. So this is, like sunburst kind of thing. Could be a whole lot of other things as well. Just an exclamation point excitement. And then also the die that matches this. Not exactly, but close enough. Maybe it does exactly. No, I don't actually know. I would have to spend more time thinking about it. Maybe I don't want to think about it that deeply. So this is one of those negative, positive space things as well, where you could save the little pieces and do things with those. I don't know that I have the patience for that. I would think I would just stencil instead of doing that. So those are 2 of those pieces. And what's so cool is you see how they can go along with this. So this is an earth, right? that you stamp the blue with this one, and you stamp the green with this. And then you can put this around it if you want. Either that or as a stencil. Also with the can't wait to hug you or have a good day or wish you were here, I think also fits in this circle as well. So that's a very cool thing. I love these sayings on here. Sending you a long distance hug. I miss being less than 6 feet away from you. I can't wait to see you. A paper hug for you. FaceTime is great, but I miss your hugs. I tested positive for missing you. And when I do get to hug you, prepare for a hell of a squeeze. So just very, very beautiful, lovely sentiments here. And there is a stamp set or a die set that goes with this for cutting out the paper airplane and heart and the little call outs and map. And then this little rainbow. So super cool. And the little earth as well. So that's fun for layering and giving dimension and all of that. And then here are some also some dies that you can do different shapes of rainbows. So cutting those out in different colors and then arranging so you can have any, you know, gradation or collection of colors that you want to make up a rainbow. It doesn't have to be rainbow order. It can be anything. For instance, I have this washi tape, which check that out. Right, so it's just a different order of different types of colors. You can do whatever you want. And then this super cute, what is this called? Say it in a rainbow. So you have these different arcs, and then you can put in these sayings here. So it says love, miss you, and hello, and it goes inside of these arcs. Okay. So if you have all this beautiful rainbow die, then you would want rainbow order paper too. Beautiful, fun, and then card bases there. So a nice rainbow order. Let's see if I can get it better. Very fun. And then these hearts, which are sending you a long distance hug. Oh, so cute. Love that for cards. And then there was a free gift with the purchase because, you know, money. So this was the one my husband picked out for me. And this was so cool because I'm doing all these cards, and this means I usually actually write on the back of my cards right now, but if I'm able to just stamp from my heart to yours, or hand stamp for you, or handmade by, or that type of thing, or on the outside of the envelope, happy mail, sealed with a hug, that is awesome. So that was a great set. So the box says that it's going to bring joy, and it does. So I'm going to show you the examples here. Of course, you can check, there's lots of videos online too. Just how much fun is that? Oh look, yeah, there's the name of all the different colors. Red Hot, those are all food colors, or food names. The different dyes, and yeah, just super fun. Super excited for this, and can't wait to get some cards up so I can show them to you. Hey, so in reviewing that footage, noticed how hard it might have been to see through the lens sometimes, so I do apologize for that, and thank you for your graciousness in allowing me to be a human that makes mistakes like that. But anyway, I am really excited to be using, I have all kinds of plans. I asked my husband to purchase for me my very first Distress Oxide inks, and so I did get some Broken China Distress Oxide. I haven't even opened it, that's how new it is to me. And some Mowed Lawn, because I really can't wait to do the little worlds you know, that layering stamp where you put the solid color and then the land mass on top. So I'm excited for that. And it turns out you need oxide inks for that, or some kind of pigment ink that'll sit on top of each other and not go just down into the paper, so it'll smush together. So that's what that's about. But anyway, I can't wait to try this out, and I will make sure to put a link in this video when that one is up. And also, if you want to see when it goes up, don't forget to hit subscribe and that little notification bell. So there's all kinds of ways you can set that, but if you set it to all, you'll get a notification each time. The good news is if I post 3 videos a week, we're doing really good. Really good. It's generally about 1 or 2. So I think that's pretty much. Oh yeah, if you want more information about all the things that I'm doing with bringing your heart, keeping your heart, worth the wait, all that stuff, you can check it out on my website right here. And then of course, if you have used this card kit and you have something that you would like to inspire me with, please tag me in Instagram right here so that I can follow along and see what I can learn from you. Otherwise, here are some videos that you might find interesting in your journey and process through all of this stuff. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you have enjoyed it, and most of all, don't forget to keep your heart. Bye.